Whataburger is bringing back kids' meal boxes after 20 years. Generation Alpha is about to get a taste of the same midday ritual their parents grew up on. Long before the orange and white stripes became a strictly brown bag experience, the highlight of a Whataburger run for any kid was the physical box that came across the counter, complete with the perforated handle and the activities meant to keep you busy until the car hit the driveway. It's been a 20-year wait for that particular piece of nostalgia to return to the menu, but the chain is finally putting the meal back into the box. Whataburger is bringing back boxed kids' meals on May 5th. The new Kids Whatameal comes in a printed box with games on the panels, a handle on top, and includes collectible prizes starting with a sticker pack inside, with additional surprise gifts and toys rolling out throughout the year. The pricing and menu, including the Just a Burger and the chicken strips, remain unchanged. This makes Whataburger something of a late returnee to a format McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's have run continuously for decades. Donna Tuttle, Whataburger's Vice President of Marketing and Communications, said the takeaway from parents was not about the food. Parents wanted a place where their kid would actually finish the meal, so they would not need to make a second food stop on the way home. While the menu and pricing remained unchanged, Whataburger poured its development effort into the packaging. After roughly 18 months of research and testing with families, a sturdy handle emerged as a top request from both kids and parents. It is now a standard feature on every box. Children also took part in design reviews, helping select the artwork and overall look. Eva Longoria and her son are fronting the digital launch campaign. Tuttle highlighted Longoria's history as a longtime Whataburger customer, saying her authentic connection strengthens the generational message.